Quick Tacoma modification install video for my guys and gals. I'm going to show you how in less than 7 minutes. Your truck needs this because it's hot out, and this is one for summer. Start the video off with my beautiful bush. God's bush. All right, this is my double cab 2019 TRD off-road XP X Series on the big boys. Yeah, she's dented and scratched up. She's used. She's mine. We actually use it like a fucking truck. Haul ass in this shit every day. You see what it is, baby. Window guard install. We're gonna try to make this quick for y'all. I'm not gonna give you too much game, but you scuff it up with the scuff pad. Roll all your windows down. Make it easy. You know what I'm saying? Get them all down. So that way you go through and you just scuff all 4 of these heifers right away. Scuff it with the scuff pad. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't know what that neighbor was looking at, but whatever. Him and his Frontier can kiss my ass. All right, I gotta get on the other side. The reason we love AVS. Another reason we love AVS is they actually gave me everything. There's one actual alcohol prep pad for every window. You can't mess this up. So what you do, I've scuffed all 4. You just clean them. You know what I mean? It doesn't have to be wet when you apply the 3M double side tape. But it does have to be a clean prep surface. So go ahead and just get in here. You know what I'm saying? Why do you take the time to clean it? Well, even though you scuffed it, doesn't mean it was clean. What I could do is throw the ones that you used back in this bag, throw the whole bag away when you. All right, for this install video, I just want y'all to know this is not the over. This is the one you want. This is the in-channel set. All right, this is not the over set where it's on your paint. This is the in-channel set that is pretty flipping awesome, to be honest with you. So special shouts to Miss Stacy at Advance for recommending these and getting me the right ones at the right price. Wife, that's my beautiful wife on the camera lens. All right, you peel off little sections of red. Do not peel off the actual double-sided tape. I promise her we won't be out here long, and this ain't gonna be a long install. Get that off the lawn. They say you wedge it in the side first, and you push so it's not making contact, and then you wedge it in. And I kind of want mine kind of high for max rain coverage, and then you pull towards you. This is probably the coolest thing I've ever put on the truck. The first mods are going on the truck, baby. Yeah, cheap ass mods. They bring so much satisfaction. So yeah, jackass, test the fitment. See if it's fitting. Okay? Cut the truck on, roll the window up. Check it out. So yeah, test them right away. You put it in. What you want to do. Alright, so that's the draw. Is make sure you're not interfering with the window track. Because obviously, you want a tight seal. So, and that's more you might have to do to get it to seal. Roll the window up, and that way the window presses them in for you. We're gonna roll on to doing a back section just to show you how it's done. And Yep.
Oh, and it being ungodly fucking hot out will help. Trust me.
Like I told you, this ain't gonna be a real long install. Something you, a buddy, if you want to film it, or you yourself could do 20 minutes. I mean, she's been filming for like 3 minutes. The back goes in so much easier. Just to let you know. The back just goes in so much easier. And I've been telling her for years that I had no issue with interference. I've been telling her for years we're gonna put them on the truck. Thank you for filming, baby. You just want to show y'all the finished product without showing off too hard. Looks sinister. You know what I'm saying? It just matches everything so well. And for the doubters, just wanted to show them the other side and the fitment on them. And this one here gave me the most fit with the little crevice here. I don't even know if you can even see that.
Wanted to thank everyone who watched to the end of the video with a little Easter egg. Here's your part number for your double cab Tacoma. I'd get these from Advance locally. I am not an affiliate though, have no affiliate link for you. I want to thank everybody who watched. Like, share, subscribe to the Ezra's Garage YouTube channel. Thank y'all.